Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to fix Binance verification failed. Now this happens because you either don't have what it takes to be verified on Binance, right? Which is your address, your documents, or maybe it's because your internet, right? Either way, what you can do is we can go here to our account, and if it says unverified, that means that you're not verified. Currently my account is verified, right? And what you will have to do is, this is probably the best way to do it, is go here to support, right? Then once you're on support, Binance support, what you can do is you can see here, why verify my account? You can go here, or you can go here and maybe go and for example, you can click why verify my account. Then what we can do is, as you can see right here, they will basically put you through their robots, right? Their robots will reply for you, and then you can just go unsolved here, right? And you can go and, for example, click not relevant here, and then as you can see, you can click yes, transfer to customer service. And then basically, as you can see, you will be able to talk with a customer service representative that will help you to fix Binance verification failed. Just describe the problem to them, and once you're done, as you can see, they're sending me the messages, welcome to Binance customer support. So once you're done, you can go here and just close and say, thank you, my issue is solved, close chat. Here we can close. And yeah, this is basically how to solve or how to fix Binance verification failed, or really any problem on Binance in 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helped you out, comment down below and leave a like, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.